could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk...
Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I like to start off with my brows first, and I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Expresso.
to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. Is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out?
To conceal, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Caramel.
I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
So here I'm just blending out the concealer all over the lid, and you guys are going to see me do it on the other side too as well. And I'm going to set my lid with the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep 30.
And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?
So in today's eyeshadow, I'm picking up the Jackie Aina palette first, and I'm taking the shade Supreme. This is a light pink, and I'm taking this above my crease.
To clean your memories, will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time.
Then I took the shade Big Wig. Big Wig is a purple shade, and one thing that I made sure is that I went back in with that Supreme color, which is the pink, to make sure I don't lose that color. I just go back in and make sure that both are blended well together.
To make you mine, baby, show me how. Make you mine, make you mine, baby, show me how. Make you mine, make you mine, baby, show me how.
So then I took out the Makeup Revolution Integrity Wild Animal palette, and this shade right here is so pretty. It's like a reddish orange type of color. It's kind of giving me coral too. So I took that right on the lid, and it's so pretty, you guys. I actually took my finger too as well and applied to pick up my product. You guys, do not worry about the fallout. I'm going to clean that up. And as you guys can see here, I'm just picking up my product and with my finger, and now I'm using my E.L.F Liquid Eyeliner, and it's in jet black.
Make you mine, make you mine, baby, show me how.
And here all I'm doing is using my concealer, and I'm just cleaning up my liner just to make it look a little bit more, you know, even and sharp. Here I'm taking my Kat Von D Lock It Foundation, and this is in Deep 71 Warm, and I sprayed a little bit more of my Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Fix Setting Spray.
Make you mine, baby, show me could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your...
Now I'm taking the same concealer but in a different shade. This one is in Pecan, which is a little lighter. This is just going to brighten up certain areas. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me, and this shade is in Medium. So this is a light shade too. And this is just going to brighten up under my eye, just a little bit in certain areas, that's all, and down the bridge of my nose.
Maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me how.
Now you guys, I'm using the same powder that I used to set my lids in place, and I'm just setting my concealer. You want to make sure that you set that in place. You guys, sorry, my voice may sound a little weird because my allergies, honey, are really fucking with me today. So I apologize that I'm even doing this voiceover, but I'm happy that I'm giving you guys another makeup tutorial. Now it's time to set the remaining of the face, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless, and this is in the shade Coconut 355. You guys are going to see me pick up my brush to sweep the powder away and make sure it's pressed in and just blend it out. So right here I'm just going to take the brush and do what I got to do, honey, so everything is blended where I set my concealer. So now for contour, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. I have it in light to medium, and I have this one in medium to dark. I'm only using a little bit of this one because it's dark, so I have to use a little bit of product. But first, I did use the light to medium contour palette first, and then I added the medium to dark.
For days, searching for your praise, but is it even there to find?
For blush, I took the Saharan Blush Volume 2 by Juvia Place. I took the shade B right here, and it's so pretty with this look. And I took a little bit of that shade too as well. It's like a coral, so I blended both out.
Is there a chance for me to clean your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind? Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time to make you mine. Baby, show me.
Now time for spray, because we did place on a lot of powder. So to tone it down, I took my Makeup Revolution Hydrate and Fix, and I took the Morphe. And y'all, my freaking fan broke, so bear with me. And for highlight, I'm taking the Milani Face Shimmering Palette. And as you guys see, it has a lot of shimmer colors in there. So I kind of just dib and dab in whatever I feel like goes with the look. So yeah, that's what I use for highlight. You guys, I did put on some bottom lashes. These are Ardell individual lashes, and I placed on about like 3 strips at the bottom. I missed them, so I'm bringing it back, my bottom lashes. And for my lips, y'all, I decided to get real bold, real funky, real cute. This is the CoverGirl Pout Matte believe that's what it's called. I don't know what shade this is in, but it's definitely a matte lipstick. It dries really nice and matte. I love it, y'all. They come in a bunch of different colors. And yeah, I just feel like this blue was just going to make this look like, I don't know. Like, I haven't done any colorful lips in a long time. And I always do nude. So I want to give you guys something different. And y'all, I love it. How, I don't know, the colors is doing something to me. I hope you baby dolls really enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment down below. If this is your first time watching, subscribe and become one of my baby dolls. Yeah, I love the look and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial too as well. I love you baby dolls and I'll see you all in my next video.